Hey everyone, today I have a quick tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to install a Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD 980 into a Gigabyte X570 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi gaming motherboard. It should be pretty easy to do. We'll show you exactly how to do that today. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken. This is Northern Viking Every Day, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. So please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into installing this NVMe drive in my motherboard. So one quick thing I should mention is I did buy all these PC components from the store. I will put links below in the description if you do want to grab them for yourself or find more information. But let's get rolling and installing this SSD. So this NVMe drive is an 80mm NVMe drive. You can see how large it is compared to a pen. Let's jump over to the motherboard. The Gigabyte X570 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi gaming motherboard has two NVMe M.2 slots. The first one is right here, and it does not have a heatsink. And the second one is right here, and it does come with this heatsink. This is the slot you're going to want to use if you're only installing one NVMe drive on your motherboard. With a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and unscrew the screw that holds the heatsink in place. Once the screw is undone, the heatsink should just slide out. Now there are several common NVMe drive sizes, 42, 60, 80, 110mm. And when I hold up my drive to my motherboard, you can see it lines up with the 80mm screw hole here. In my motherboard box, I did get an extra standoff as well as an M.2 screw. And we're going to go ahead and install the standoff in the 80mm screw hole, which matches the length of my NVMe drive. Over on the motherboard in the NVMe connector, you are going to see a little knob that sticks up. This needs to correspond with the notch on your NVMe drive. You can insert it at about a 30-degree angle. There is some tension to it, but we are going to be holding that down with an M.2 screw. So go ahead and push the NVMe drive down, and you can take the M.2 screw. For myself, this came in the motherboard box, and screw the NVMe drive down into the standoff that we already installed. As I had mentioned before, this NVMe drive slot does have a heatsink. Go ahead and remove the protective film off of the back before we install it. To reinstall the heatsink, make sure the knob lines up with the hole. You can slide it in there, make sure it's straight, and lower it down so the screw lines up with the standoff, and then you can go ahead and retighten the Phillips screw. Once you've completed this, you have installed your NVMe drive on your motherboard. So hope this video was able to help you install your NVMe M.2 SSD drive in your motherboard. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.